We have a message from Ms. Fatima Munir Ahmed, MD and CEO, Hamdard Laboratories, Waqf, Pakistan.
The journey of life begins at birth, a pivotal moment that sets the course of a child's future. In this precious beginning, the health and well-being of both mother and child are of utmost importance, creating a foundation for a lifetime of growth, learning and development. The role of comprehensive mother and child care cannot be overstated, as it not only impacts immediate health outcomes but also shapes the long-term futures of families and communities. The well-being of Pakistani mothers and children extends beyond the individual to affect entire communities and societies. Investing in maternal and child health care is one of the most effective ways to break cycles of poverty and inequality. When mothers have access to quality healthcare education support, they are better equipped to take care of their children, leading to healthier families and more resilient communities. In regions with strong maternal and child health programs, we have seen a significant reductions in infant mortality, maternal deaths, and the incidence of chronic diseases. As children grow up healthier and more educated, they contribute to the prosperity of their societies, ensuring a hopeful future for generations to come. Healthy beginnings truly do lead to hopeful futures. The care that mother and children receive at a very early stages, before, during and after pregnancy, lays the foundation for a lifetime of health, well-being and success. Ensuring that all mothers and children have access to comprehensive healthcare is not only an ethical imperative, but also a strategic investment in the futures of societies worldwide. Governments, healthcare providers and communities must also continue to prioritize maternal and child health, ensuring access to quality care, education and support for all. By nurturing healthy beginnings, we create the opportunity for hopeful futures, both for individuals and for the global community. I would like to warmly welcome the esteemed representatives of WHO, our lovely chief guests, who have graced us with their presence, and also the young minds who will share their invaluable experience with us. Thank you.